All right. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have right here the Apple Watch SE. This is the second gen right here on my wrist. I have the Apple Watch SE first gen. We're going to take a look at this, share with you guys the unboxing experience, what we get inside, and also my thoughts and opinions for suppressions of this. Now I got the Starlight color in 44, just so you guys know. But without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so here we go, Apple Watch SE in Starlight. So we got some tabs here that we have to pull. Let's go ahead and pull these out just like that. Pull this out just like that too. Pull this out like this right here. Let's put that to the side for now. So we got the sport band, at least I did, and I got some extra bands too, but I'll be showing that for later. Here is Apple Watch. This is the second gen Apple Watch SE. Pull these tabs right here real quick. Put those tabs to the side, right here as well. Yeah, when I'm excited, I have trouble unboxing things. Let's open this up just in case, well, to get this out of the way as well. Obviously, I'm gonna put this on so you guys can see it. But here it is, Apple Watch SE Starlight. I kind of wanted to match my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which you see right here. There it is, iPhone 14 Pro Max. If I really wanted to get the same exact color, I probably would have got stainless steel gold, but maybe that's for next year. Okay, so here it is. Here is the Apple Watch SE2 wrapped in here. We'll take a look. And let's put that aside. It's a 44 millimeter, so it's a larger size, designed by Apple in California. Apple Watch, we get some paperwork right in here. So let's just put that right back. Put that aside. Then we get the Apple charger right here. So no need to kind of open that up. And for those who do get new AirPods Pro second gen, know that you can charge your AirPods Pro with a Apple Watch charger. So that's always a plus. I kind of wish you would be able to MagSafe charge the Apple Watch. That would have been really cool. Let's open this up right here. And if we can just peel this tab, I believe, right here, just like that. Pull this out. Some more paperwork. Put the Apple Watch aside for now. Take a look at the bands. And what I love about Apple Watches is they're just so easy to put on. The bands are super easy to put on. I've had some trouble with other smartwatches in the past. There we go, Starlight Sport Band and Starlight Watch. I kind of wanted to just go all together to start things off. Let's peel this real quick. Let's do this. Here we go. That was incorrect, but that's okay. That is okay. So let's actually zoom in just a little bit right here. So here we go. More or less, it's the same. Let me actually just take this off right here. I got the black first gen. More or less, it looks the same. I didn't get the cellular model either. So there is that. So it's an OLED display, goes up to 1000 nits. But let's quickly get this started, turn this on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the Apple Watch SE second generation. So this model right here is, like I said, the 44 millimeter, and it comes with an upgraded S8 chipset with a 64-bit dual-core processor and the W3 wireless chip, which is actually the same as the Apple Watch Series 8, so that's always a plus. It's the SEs of the Apple Watch, hence the name. It's like the iPhone SE, has the latest and greatest chipset, but in a more kind of convenient price. And just a little comparison, black does hide out the bezels just a little bit more, whereas with this Starlight color, and you're only getting, I believe, 3 colors with the SE, it does show the bezel a little bit more, but that's not too much of a concern for me. Upgraded chipset, it's going to be much faster. Everything else is really the same. They both go up to 1000 nits. They both have the digital crowns with the haptic feedback, second generation optical heart sensor. This one does have emergency SOS with crash detection. The new Apple Watches, all of the models, the SE, the S8, as well as the Apple Watch Ultra. This does have a cellular model, although obviously I have not gone for that. Just the Wi-Fi model is perfectly fine for me. Bluetooth 5.0 on Apple Watch SE and 5.3 on the SE2, the second generation. Everything else is more or less the same. The Starlight color is really not too bad, and I also like the band. Let's actually put it on real quick. Just like that. Right there. There we go. Put it on just like that. Zoom out just a little bit. And you know what? I'm gonna actually change. Let's go to new. Let's just add something right here. There we go. There's our new watch face. Kind of goes with it. It's a gold watch face. Starlight, kind of really light gold color. I wish it was just straight out gold. It was not the Starlight. But nonetheless, I like it. I like the band too. It's very comfy, easy to put on. Apple watches are super easy to install. The bands, other watches, I've had issues. That's one of the reasons why I like having using an Apple Watch as my smartwatch, because it's just so easy to install. I don't need to worry about like spending like 20 minutes putting on a like a third-party band or whatever it may be. These are super good. And here it is, comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro Max in gold. Wow, that display gets super bright. And I wanted to get the same colors this year. I went with gold. Would have been cool if they brought out a purple S8 at least, an Apple Watch Series 8 to go along with the new colors of the Pro for the iPhone. But there, just to look at the same colors. And yeah, that's really, if you guys want to see a comparison of these two, I like it. I like the SE lineup of Apple. No matter, you know, if it's an iPhone or if it's an Apple Watch, these are the perfect devices to get consumers into the Apple ecosystem. It's budget friendly. You're getting pretty good specs, like you're getting the highest end chipset in a more relative package and a relative design package as well. It's not the latest and greatest, it doesn't have edge-to-edge bezels or anything like that. But for the most part, you know, it gets the job done. Just make sure that when you're picking up an Apple Watch, you know exactly what you're looking for and try to see if this Apple Watch model offers that for you. If it doesn't, you gotta check another Apple Watch model. But for the most part, I think SE is a pretty good fit for many consumers, including myself. But that's really been it for this first impressions of this Starlight. I was going to say gold, the Starlight Apple Watch. You'll be seeing more of this in my upcoming videos, as I'm going to be putting a lot of Apple content based on the iPhone and the Apple Watch. So definitely be sure to Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.